Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at Walmart to look at some of their spring home decor. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, stay tuned.
Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future.
Okay guys, these beautiful pillows here. These are by the Texas House and all of these pillows are $15. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so we have this one with the tassels on the end, and all of these over here I think have tassels on the end, guys, and they are just so beautiful. I love that green and white right there. Oh, they even have the solid green and the lumbar pillow to go with all these colors. Yes, beautiful, right? Let's see. So this one is $14.97. It is the Flora ceramic. And then this one is the, hey, I like these wooden basic trays for $18.28. Really nice weight to this. This ceramic base is $9.98. That's a great deal for this, guys. Little iron roosters for $11.97. Wi-Fi network password, okay, nice, for $10.88. This tabletop decor piece here is $9.98, as well as this one. The globe is $12.98. Cute, cute, cute. 3-piece glass bud vases for $8.44. So nice. This little coffee or clock sign is $4.98. Okay guys, so all of these flowers over here on this end cap, they are $4.97. Our adventure fund for $15.72. So yeah, you put your money right in the hole and save for your adventure. Yay! This is beautiful. So beautiful. Don't see the price or the name of the company on that one. This rattan metal bookends. You get 2 for $13.98. Amber glass LED light for $14.97. Ooh, these poofs are beautiful for $35. 12 by 14 frame art piece right there. Beautiful. It is $11.94. Glass hexagon jewelry box. It is $18.98. Beautiful 3-piece floating shelves, $15.17. Nice. This 2-piece tabletop set, glass candle holders. How much are they? Try to find it, guys. If I find the price to any of these items that I do not see the price for, I will put it on the screen. Glass pedal tray for $9.97. 16 by 20, they are $14.86. And that one, guys, is $39.98. 3-piece moss ball set, $11.97. They're $14.97. Large, beautiful lantern right there for $29.97. It is 28 inches. This mainstay clock is beautiful. It is $44.96. Beautiful lamp bases down here, guys, ranging from $10.97 up to $39.98. They also have really nice shades for $20.97. And then they have those up there. Oh yes, ranging from $9.94 all the way up to $19.97. They have these beautiful curtains over here by Better Homes and Garden. The one at the top, they're 84 inches and they're $24.97. 1 panel only. Yes. All of these. They have 95 inches as well. And they have one for 63 inches. This beautiful TV stand here, guys, it is so beautiful. It includes 2 handle options, light honey finish. Yes, it is a TV stand, $208. Accent chair, guys, by Better Homes and Garden. It is $139. So pretty. Oh yes. I like this fabric tufted futon for $347. The Hillside Collection 4-drawer chest for $250. The unstick cookware set for only $69, guys. It is absolutely beautiful. It comes in cream and red by Better Homes and Garden, and it is $64. This is a full queen 3-piece set with a storage bag, 1 comforter, and 2 standard shams. That is really pretty. Solid cream is $64. And look at that beautiful green. $59, guys. And all of these have 3 pieces total. $59 for that one. This one is by Mainstays. This is the comforter set with the sheets. It has 10 pieces and storage bag for $59. This is a waffle stripe comforter set by Better Homes and Gardens. Of course, 3 pieces for $64. That blue, it is just too pretty. Comforter set with accessories for $49.48. 1 decorative pillow, 1 throw, 2 pillow shams, and 1 reversible full queen comforter. And all of these are $49.48, guys. Better Homes and Gardens right here for $64. 3-piece set again. What I want to show you guys here at Walmart to help you with your spring decor. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so much for your support, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me